How to delete blockchain account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete blockchain account. To delete blockchain account, first of all, you need to open the blockchain application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. You may need to use your PIN in order to access your account. Once you have entered your PIN, you will reach to this page. Here in this page at the top left corner, you will see your profile picture. Tap on it and now you will be taken to the settings page. In this page, here you will need to scroll down. At the very bottom, you will see delete account option. Tap on this delete account and by doing so, here it says once you delete your account, your custodial and on accounts will also be deleted and you will be logged out of all your active devices. Before deleting, you will first need to withdraw any funds from your account and wallets. Also, you need to ensure that your DeFi wallet is backed up. Now, once you have done that, go ahead and tap on this done button at the very bottom. Here, you will reach to this page now. In order to delete your account, here you will need to confirm. For that, here in this box, you will need to type delete my account. Once you have entered delete my account text, now you need to tap on this delete account button at the very bottom. By doing so, you will see you have successfully deleted your blockchain account. Once deleted, you will come back to this page. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete blockchain account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.